The Adam Smith Awards Asia are recognised as the industry benchmark for best practice and innovation in corporate treasury. Throughout this dedicated series, we take a deep dive into each of the winning solutions of 2021 in conversation with the creators themselves.
Hello, I'm Sophie Jackson, Joint Publisher and Head of Strategic Content at the Treasury Today Group. In this episode, we take a look at the overall winner and the highly commended winners of the best AP or AR solution. Payments and receipts are key to any business. So how do companies negotiate improved payment terms with their suppliers? We've seen an increase in the use of shared service centres and payment factories in recent years, and payment on behalf of structures are a lot more common now. We also look at how companies manage their collections, including reconciliation, and as with payments, we're now seeing collection on behalf of or COBO structures emerging. And the overall winner for Best APAR Solution is Vivek Saraf, Treasurer for India and China at Pharma. Congratulations.
Hi, I'm Vivek Saraf, Treasurer for India and China at Teva Pharmaceuticals. I'm the overall winner of the Best APAR Solution Award. In India, Teva is present across entire value chain of pharma industry, including API, formulation and R&D. We have regular domestic and cross-border payments and receive significant collections against exports. However, our AP and AR process, including regulatory compliances thereto, remained extremely manual. For example, our export management process was heavily reliant on physical documents, leading to delays at each stage, ultimately affecting our ability to obtain timely export benefits. Similarly, import and domestic payments were handled through manual upload process, which could pose operational risks. We thought we can leverage on technology and transform our processes. With strategic focus on regulatory compliance and future business growth, it became imperative to embark on a digital transformation project for our payment and collection processes. Our goals of achieving treasury efficiencies and real-time regulatory compliance resonated with benefits across multiple teams in the organization, and that helped us concretize the plan. We started by conducting a thorough market study of the available banking solutions in order to leverage the best technology to drive automation. To execute a solution of this scale and complexity required us to ensure that we set up an effective collaboration model with cross-functional teams which included, among others, shared service center and the logistics function. This helped us navigate the multiple systems and diverse data points. Collaboration was indispensable, especially considering a pandemic operating environment where employees were working from home. We were also supported by JP Morgan team. A tight project plan with a multi-layered project management team consisting of operational, technical and implementation staff ensured a focused and timely implementation. The project was broken down into achievable milestones and we conquered the mountain by climbing each rock. We realized that digitization is the difference between a player and a winner. The spirit of innovation has to be deeply inculcated across the organization for employees to think of ideas for improvisation. Thankfully, in our organization, we found strong support and belief in our proposal right from the start. This motivated the team to persist in difficult times and achieve the goals we set out at the beginning. We are immensely grateful to our logistics, shared service center and technology teams and also our banking partner in the way they all came together towards a common objective. Lastly, we realize that the challenges we face are common to many other organizations across industries. And as we leverage on learning from other award-winning case studies, we hope that sharing our experience here is helpful to our treasury colleagues in other companies to identify and address challenges similar to what we faced. Treasury forms the backbone of any organization, responsible for driving overall efficiencies apart from managing core finance. This award recognizes the spirit of Teva Treasury, which fosters innovation to address challenges faced by the organization, both operational and strategic ones. We set upon ourselves a very ambitious but exciting goal to fully digitize treasury and operational process for AP and ER management with three core objectives: efficient management of cash flows and liquidity, regulatory compliance and audit controls, strong and efficient process. The award recognizes the exceptional effort put in by Teva and our banking partner JP Morgan to ensure successful implementation of this complex project, notwithstanding the challenges posed by the pandemic.
And now it's time for a word from their partner.
Hi, I'm Bhavani Cherla. I'm part of the Treasury Services sales team at JP Morgan India. Automation and digitization of core treasury processes has become a strategic priority for multinational firms operating in India, where the cross-border payments and collections environment still revolves around manual processes. This was especially the case for Watson Pharma, our client, which is a subsidiary of Teva Pharma, that operates across the entire pharma industry value chain and runs multiple business units. When we first presented our digitized solutions for AP and AR management to Watson, it immediately resonated with the pain points that arose from their manual operational processes that were hindering effective treasury management. The Teva team had already taken the first step of identifying the problem areas, and they were exploring innovative ways to overcome the challenge. For JP Morgan, hence, it was important that we were aligned to their treasury goals that included effective cash and liquidity management, and also includes real-time oversight into regulatory compliances by automating the complete suite of import, export, and domestic payments. We formed a project team with representation from major stakeholders on both sides of the partnership, and this helped us navigate the complex systems and also consolidate all the data points to fully digitize Watson's entire treasury and operational processes for AP and AR. This includes the process to transmit exports data via host-to-host connectivity, which is the first in the market. The team at Watson Pharma, comprising of staff from Treasury, Logistics, and other departments, were fully committed to the task, and the deep innovative culture that runs globally across both JP Morgan and Teva helped us clear any hurdles and manage timelines effectively. Our extensive experience in driving treasury efficiencies actually helped us deliver a very customized, tailored solution to meet the specific needs of Watson Pharma. The digitization solution for AP and AR has three key components mainly, right? One is paperless processing of imports and exports in a straight-through manner via a host-to-host linkage. Secondly, it provides regulatory visibility on a real-time basis. And third, it enhances data security. On the exports front, it actually enables Watson to minimize manual intervention in paper handling. They're able to reconcile export bills in a timely manner and crunch the timelines for obtaining EBRCs from a few weeks to actually a few days. This has helped the Treasury team manage liquidity better, and they can now claim export benefits earlier than in the past. On the imports and domestic payment side also, having all their processes directly integrated with ERP reduces the risk of operational errors. Finally, the access to real-time regulatory dashboards has helped the firm streamline regulatory and audit compliances, and it frees up critical organizational bandwidth that would best be utilized in expanding the business.
Next up, we have our first highly commended award in this category. The first one is Rupesh Sharma, that's Finance Director for South Asia at IDP Education India. Congratulations.
Hi, my name is Jaswinder. I work with IDP as Finance Controller for India and Nepal. See, winning any recognition is always special. And getting some award from an outside agency for implementing a product which helps us in providing services to our clients, which is the test takers, is always a good feature to have. This new product has definitely helped us because, as I said, we are conducting this IELTS examination where a lot of candidates register on a website for giving an exam. This product has helped us in reconciling their payments on a very quick turnaround, which has helped us in providing services to them on a very proactive manner, which has definitely helped improving our image as an organization and providing better services to our clients. We are into this examination testing, which is English language proficiency test. Because it's a global test, it happens across length and breadth of India, across different locations. And people across different locations need to make a payment to IDP for getting themselves registered for this test. So it was always a challenge for getting the payment on a timely basis, getting all the MISs from different sources, reconciling those payments on our ERP, and ensuring that the candidate's journey with IDP is not compromised or is not diluted. This new feature, because the payments have been coming through the omni-channel platform, and we have been getting the MISs which are required, it is just integrated with our ERP. It gives us an automatic reconciliation route for all the candidates' payment with a faster turnaround, which then help us in providing a better services to the student, because we don't want any student to have any kind of a issue in terms of getting any service from IDP or having any problems in giving a test. Because if they have made a payment, they should not be stopped from giving a test. And that was one of the biggest challenge which we used to have. And thanks to HSBC and Karan in particular, I believe this issue has long been resolved, and we can see that from the higher volumes which we are now servicing this year. For any organization, cash and treasury management is one of the key force where they need to spend their times and energies. I believe that is one area where any person in finance will always be looking at to see how we can harness the technology to make this more efficient and provide a better reconciliation and ease of integration of all the source of the collections and a proper reconciliation channel, which can be on a real-time basis and can provide accurate information. So I think omni-channel solution for us is something which we have been missing for a very long time. But thanks to HSBC, this issue which we used to have has now been resolved quite largely, and it is definitely helping us in taking a lot of decisions which are required from a cash flow management and other aspects.
And now it's time for a word from their partner.
Hi, I'm Arpan Nangia. I look after sales for global liquidity and cash management business for commercial banking at HSBC India and South Asia. We supported IDP Education India in simplifying their collection process. IDP Education India was already offering a variety of payment options on its website. The different integrations with multiple service providers, however, came with its own set of challenges. IDP team was looking for a solution that would help them streamline collections from various modes for faster turnaround times and a more efficient working capital management. Automated reconciliation for receivables was another key objective. The proposed solution had to be scalable in order to keep pace with IDP's growth trajectory, as well as be replicable such that it could be implemented across geographies, keeping the transition cost at a minimum. Hence, an OmniCollect API integrated solution was implemented for IDP Education India. The most important elements of this solution are: number one, a single interface now supports various mobile collection channels. This has led to a better student experience who can make payments 24/7 and has also benefited IDP by improving efficiency in their treasury operations. Number two, real-time connectivity was achieved with minimum development effort by using the bank's API Toolkit. This is a standardized API aligned across different markets in Asia Pacific. These are simplified APIs which would enable IDP to seamlessly switch across multiple partners. The APIs enable for real-time information exchange and updates on the website, enabling the students to know the status of the payments. Number 3, a consolidated reconciliation report that includes transaction details as well as daily reports using an automated file delivery tool helped speed up, simplify reconciliation. The reconciliation report captures details of transactions after checking the credit into the respective account of IDP. And the last one, the streamlined model has also allowed IDP Education India to consolidate bank accounts, giving the Treasury team the added advantage of being able to aggregate data more easily, quickly, and frequently for enhanced visibility and faster decision making.
And now we have our second highly commended award winner. Our second highly commended winner in the Best APR Solution category is Mohammed Salman, Head of Treasury, Planning and Business Reporting at Coca-Cola Beverages Pakistan. Here to tell us more about Coca-Cola Pakistan's winning solution is their partner, Standard Chartered.
Hello, I'm Ricky Cora and I'm responsible for transaction banking in Asia Pacific, Africa and the Middle East for Standard Chartered Bank. We partnered with our client Coca-Cola Beverages Pakistan and worked with Habal, a fintech, to optimize our client's order-to-cash cycle. This solution helped Coca-Cola move away from a manual branch-based cash and check collection process, which was delaying payment realization and added stress on supply chain operations. It enables our clients' distributors to place orders online, receive electronic invoices, and make real-time payments across multiple channels. This channel-agnostic solution has improved liquidity for Coca-Cola by reducing the order-to-cash settlement time from 3 days to T+0 days and eliminated the need for multiple cash management banking relationships. We are delighted to partner with Coca-Cola Beverages Pakistan in their digital journey, and we're simply thrilled to see their efforts rewarded with this extremely well-deserved recognition.
And the third highly commended winner for Best AP Solution is Prapan Shotinatawong, VP Accounting Policy and Tax Strategy at PTT Global Chemical Public Company.
Hi, I'm Prapan Shotinatawong, Vice President, Accounting Policy and Tax Strategy. I'm conducting the digital transformation in finance and accounting at the PTT Global Chemical Public Company Limited. I'm the highly commended winner of the Best AP Solution Award. PTT GC is the chemical flagship of Thailand energy conglomerate PTT Group. As the country's largest petrochemical producer by capacity, we are committed to strengthening our leading position in the chemical business by combining environmentally friendly innovations with advanced technologies to develop products to improve people's lives. Aligning with our corporate direction and strategies, we have focused on maintaining our competitiveness and sustainable growth. Meanwhile, we have made various preparations to support future growth. PTTGC has employed its strategic plan as a framework for our operations. We have also regularly monitored its progress to ensure the achievement of short-term and long-term goals. The best practice demonstrated that led to our winning is how we overcame the challenges arising from the launch of Procure-to-Pay blockchain platform and the migration of the withholding tax certificate issuance process from paper to electronic. The main aim of this project was to deploy a standard set of digital solutions and to address the broader objective of digitalizing and streamlining the end-to-end process from prepayment to invoice acceptance, as well as invoice financing and payment flows. This is a complex undertaking that involves not just the technical changes, but also a redesign of legacy flows within PTTGC into a leaner and more efficient model. Hence, This is a multi-phase undertaking which requires coordination with multiple stakeholders within PTTGC. The API banking solution is designed to speed up payment for PTTGC and provide automated and near real-time reconciliation for PTTGC payments. This eliminates the manual reconciliation of payment, speed up the end-to-end process for PTTGC, and deliver an error-free outcome. The electronic withholding tax solution eliminates paper issuance of a withholding tax certificate and withholding tax payment settlement with the Thai Revenue Department. This enables withholding tax to be submitted automatically, eliminating the need for PTTGC to engage with the Thai Revenue Department and enabling PTTGC to manage resources more efficiently. This accolade echoes our corporate strategies that focus on strengthening our leading position in sustainability and digitization. It has proven that we have come to the right track and we are on the track to thrive further. It is also a fruition that resonates the team effort as the project needed seamless collaboration, communication, and execution. We have created a collaborative environment where we take the learning journey together. We have groomed PTTGC to be a happy workplace that welcomes ideas and initiative and enabling our team members to excel their professional excellence. This award is an encouraging reward for our team. To me personally, I'm very proud to be part of this high potential team and company. I look forward to achieving our next milestone with the team. There are two challenges I would like to address in this milestone. The first one is the complexity in our existing process regarding issuing invoices and paying with many touch points among our supplier, distributor, us, and our bank. The other one is the existing withholding tax process that require us to issue paper withholding tax certificate to the supplier and send withholding tax information to the Thai Revenue Department. The crucial factor that enables us to overcome these challenges is the collaboration and communication among stakeholders. We got our team ready for the upgrade and we ensure parties involved were on the same page. The solution streamlined the entire process and improved the efficiency through digitalization. The aging technology applied in this application programming interface, API, enable banking channel execution rather than the traditional host-to-host connectivity or an internet banking platform. In addition, it streamlined the adoption of electronic issuance of withholding tax certificate into the process. The significant outcome was the improvement in the procure-to-pay cycle. We were able to successfully accelerate the payment, enable real-time reconciliation, eliminate the manual processes, and reduce the withholding tax rate from 3% to 2% for our suppliers. We have embraced GC spirit in everything we do. This project really challenged us to take initiative to create better results and to keep improving self and inspiring teamwork. It is natural when we introduce new approach that most people are not familiar with. The prompt response we normally get is resistance. We made the decision to go forward for the change and we need to convince our stakeholder to work with us. It was not only the system interface that we anticipated for the change, but also it was the entire workflow that has to follow suit. The project allowed us to see that when we set the same site to work proactively to serve customer need and strive for the greater good, we can overcome any challenge. The achievement of this project is entirely driven by team effort. If we keep this in mind, I'm confident that there will be milestone after milestone that we can achieve together.
And now it's time for a word from their partner.
Hello, I'm Ricky Cora and I'm responsible for transaction banking in Asia Pacific, Africa, and the Middle East for Standard Chartered Bank. We work together with our client, PTT Global Chemical, to address their challenge of having to deal with paper withholding tax certificates and the numerous complexities around their procure-to-payment cycle. PTT Global Chemical now issue electronic withholding tax certificates through an API-based banking channel instead of a traditional host-to-host connection. Enabled through a procure-to-pay blockchain platform, this solution streamlined invoice acceptance, prepayments, invoice financing, and the resultant payment flows. This was a multi-phased undertaking that began with the establishment of payments API connectivity that was subsequently followed by the redesign of various invoice flows and additional API connections. Furthermore, our direct connectivity with the Thai Revenue Department facilitated an automatic e-transmission of withholding tax, eliminating the additional steps required earlier for payments and the subsequent monitoring. This straight-through processing is a major improvement over previous complex models that involved multiple touchpoints between our client, their suppliers, distributors, and banks. Payments and reconciliation speeds increased with API connectivity, and the reduction in withholding tax rates has benefited both our client and its suppliers. We're proud to offer such innovative solutions to our clients, and we see the positive impact on their business. Our heartiest congratulations to PTT Global Chemical on being recognized for their effort and in undertaking this digital transformation, which is extremely well deserved.
A huge congratulations to all our Adam Smith Awards Asia 2021 winners. Thank you for listening to this episode of our dedicated Adam Smith Awards Asia podcast series, brought to you by the Treasury Today Group. More episodes will be coming soon featuring other award-winning solutions, so please subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated wherever you get your podcasts from.